All right, number 8 says Simon will make a box without a top by cutting out corners of equal sides from a 22-inch by 15-inch sheet of cardboard and folding up the sides. Which of the following is closest to the greatest possible volume of the box? All right, so for this one, we start off with this sheet of cardboard that's 22 inches by 15 inches. And we're going to cut out some amount out of the side here. We're going to cut some piece out of the side, and it's got to be the same for all the sides. And it's got to be, each of these has to be the same, otherwise they wouldn't fold up together. So let's call the length of that side X, and it'll be X everywhere here. So erase this part. There's X and X, and cut out this corner, X and X. And so he's going to fold it up along these lines here. He'll fold it up and it'll create a box. And we want to find the box with the greatest volume. So first of all, the volume of a box is going to be given by the length times the width times the height. So let's figure out what the volume of this height or this box would be in terms of X. So if we folded up these sides, this length here is going to now be the height of the box. So the height of the box is X. So the volume with respect to X is equal to X, the height, times the width here is going to be, notice that this whole width was 15 inches, but now we've cut out a piece of that that's X inches long on either side, so we're subtracting 2X from that. So this length here is now 15 minus 2X. And then this length is 22 minus 2X. And if we multiply all these together, let's FOIL this first. We get X times 15 times 22 is going to be 330. Minus 30X minus 44X, so minus 74X. Minus negative 2X times negative 2X is positive 4X squared. And then we can multiply this X, and I'm going to put this in standard form. So we've got 4X cubed minus 74X squared. I'm just multiplying this X by each of these terms, and then reversing them so that they're in standard form. And then plus 330X. So now we have this cubic function here. V of X equals 4X cubed minus 74X squared plus 330X. Now we need to find the maximum volume for this. We need to figure out where this V of X is going to be the biggest. And we don't really have the tools in pre-calculus to do this except with graphing. In calculus, you'll figure out how you can find where that the slope of this is going to be 0 and figure out that there's a maximum there. But for us, we're going to have to just plug this into the calculator. You'll get some a cubic function that looks like this, and you want to find that maximum right there. And you can ask your calculator to find the maximum. In this case, the maximum turns out to be 432 cubic inches. So our answer there is 432 cubic inches.